This is Eindhoven Central Station, and you can go from here easily to the airport. Yes. The Eindhoven Airport is small but organized, but it's so crowded compared to others. So guys, this is Eindhoven Airport in Netherlands, and from Eindhoven Central it just takes 30 minutes to reach here. There you can see the Eindhoven Airport. Let's go inside. Okay, there's the football team, huh? Okay, let's go. Okay. Check-in police custody.
Alsjeblieft, voor uw en onze veiligheid laten we eigendommen niet onbeheerd achter. Your attention, please. For security reasons, keep a close watch on your personal belongings.
So I think it's a small airport, but it's so crowded, huh? Oh my god.
Ale tu mi się wydaje, że odprawiałem go 2 dni.
So guys, you should come early here because it's so crowded. You need so much time to complete the checking.
Mi się wydaje, że odprawiałem go 2 dni.
না ইয়ার তো কাজ হইতেছে না, মালটার কাজ হইতেছে না বাংলাদেশ থেকে। ঠিক আছে। So after complete the checking, now security check in the Donbin. Now I am going to the gates. Okay, let's see. Okay. Nice. Transavia. Okay. So this is a very small airport, right? And you don't need so much time. Our 8F. So this is the institute. Transavia. So I'm going to Austria now because I'm living in Austria. So in Eindhoven to Austria.